Okay, folks, we're heading out to the gun dock. It's been a while. Let's see what we can find today. Looks pretty overgrown, though. But we're gonna give it a shot nonetheless, so sit tight. I'm gonna get set up. Looks like there's a lot of junk in here since then, and we'll get started. Okay, first cast. We're gonna drop it in down here. And a little tip, when it's really overgrown, I recommend a smaller magnet that's pretty strong because it can get very, very clogged up. With the big magnet, it grabs everything. Although it is kind of good at getting all the big stuff out of the way. But we're going to swipe this little one through and hopefully we get something here off the bat. I don't feel anything. Bobbing it up and down does help too. This was usually a little honey hole right here, but we're not going to be able to go into the lily pads. Not much. I'll try the big one too and see what we get. We got a little friend out there. Walking on the lily pads. Very overgrown. We're just kind of trying to pull the weeds up first. Quite bad. See, this is what I'm dealing with. And then I go back over the same area and hope that it cleared it up. And then I can actually pull something up. Because with those weeds, you're not getting through anything. Because the majority of the stuff is going to be heavy and fall to the bottom. Since it's like iron and steel. I haven't even really gotten a fish hook yet. There's so much stuff. I guess I'll just work on clearing all this muck up and then get back with you. Because I have to drag it, try to get all these weeds. We'll check the magnet one more time together. Oh, very heavy. Although there could be some good stuff in these weeds. Yeah, this stuff is brutal. Okay, I'll get back with you. A couple balls, but that's it. Pull it back one more time here. I kind of like pull it slow and try to get down into the mud because it's very muddy here too. Pull it down, get the magnet to sink in the mud. Pull it back a little bit, do the same thing. A lot of places you don't actually have to do this, but here in Florida, with the lakes that are just pure mud, and the rivers that are just pure mud, you kind of have to. Otherwise, you're not going to get anything. Alright, we got a Bud Light cap and a little BB of sorts. Okay, got a couple other things down there too, like a rope and a little frog jig. So we'll get at it. Just pulled these up, a couple of bits of metal and a sinker that got stuck on the rim, believe it or not. Let's throw it out again. There is some wood down there. I can definitely hear that it's wood. So, I don't know what that's all about. It won't budge either. Like, there's multiple things of wood. Just a bunch of BBs and stuff. We'll clean this off and start again. Okay, that's everything for 3 turns. We got little hook, bottle cap, braided line, VVs, whatever that thing is. Did feel a little tug. Okay, that is to adjust the drag off of a fishing rod. Take this line off. That is something. Not the greatest, but something. Alright, we got a little jig. Sorry about the wind. A little jig. That's something. Bunch of seaweed. Drag it back real quick here with y'all. Yeah, there's some big pieces of wood down there that keep getting caught. Don't know what that's all about. Just tug it back a little bit, get it stuck in the mud. I think I got seaweed on the end because it got a lot heavier and I didn't feel a snap. There's a ton of little fish down there, liking what I'm kicking up. Yeah, weeds. And another hook. It's not bad. I got another circle hook. I'll just toss it all around here and see what comes up. Found a couple guns here before, a bunch of knives, machete. All sorts of stuff. So you never really know what people are going to throw in here. There's wood down here too. Must just be part of the construction. Nope, that's it. Well, a sangria and a nail. Cap and a nail. big down there. I don't know if it's wood or not. Whatever it is, I did not get it. Oh, I might have felt something right there. Maybe. Maybe not. Might have just been wood. Yeah. That was just wood. Well, I do have some bottle caps, a sinker, circle hook, and I think that's about it. And a bread tie. Hey! We the people. Rusted shut, but an America lighter. How cool. I'm hoping for a knife or something today, but nothing yet. Nothing very good, just a bunch of small stuff. But we're gonna keep at her. We ain't giving up yet, folks. Hopefully you can see all the vegetation down there. It's very, very brutal. Hey, got a fishing bell. It's disintegrating. And a Budweiser cap. And a broken circle hook. Alright. Drop it back down. Here again. I figure people are fishing here because it's open and they're not going to fish out there. So I'm kind of going to where they will be. Dropping it in. And a hoping and a praying. This is right where I found the guns, by the way. One was down here, and another one was out by that lily pad there. I'm sure there's more, but I threw the magnet out there. It just did not go anywhere near. I mean, it was just getting stuck very badly. Very, very badly. Feel something pulling there. Ah, we got something. It's a worm. And another hook on there. This is a good little spot. Just keep dropping it. Maybe a knife or... Bottle cap and a screw. Woohoo! Man, I am not finding much good yet. Well, I just got this stuck on the top of the magnet. That's pretty nice. Looks like it's still in good shape. It's just got a bunch of weeds on it. Cool beans. Hang a bunch on there. Woohoo! Something. Lid off of a can. Nice getting that out of there. It is something. Woohoo! Something. Lid off of a can. Nice getting that out of there. It is something. Hey. Another. It's not going to be good, but it is another. It's actually a, is that a little lighter holder? I'll see if we can take that out. I don't know if it's a lighter holder, if that's how the lighter actually is, but I think that might be a lighter holder. It's be pretty cool if it is. Alright. 2 bottle caps, a circle hook, and a fishing spoon. Okay folks, we're going to do a roundup here. Sorry we didn't find anything earth-shattering, but that's how it is sometimes. I mean, my past 4 trips, I haven't made a video. So, this is the one video we get. Magnet fishing. We got a treble hook, frog, a couple nails, a jig, top of a tin can, a ton of bottle caps, a weight, a fishing bell, more weights attached to the line, lighter, fishing rod, drag. We got a fishing spoon, bunch of nice fishing hooks. This braided line here, I forget what you call these. Bunch of circle hooks and another bic. So that's the extent of it this trip, and I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you all on the next.